on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for the song Halalela by Lebo Sekgobela, and we're in the key of A flat. So the song it's simple in the sense of that there's just one phrase that I'm going to be showing you in the song, and that's the same phrase that goes throughout the entire song, right? They just repeat some smaller sections, but in general it's just that one part in the entire song, right? So I'll show you how it sounds, and then I'll break it down for you. So it sounds like this. Right, so I'll just break down what I played there first, and then after that we'll just look at some other smaller things that they do in the song. So what are we playing? Right, so the first chord we play is a 1-5-1 in your left hand, 2-3-5-1 in your right hand. So then you go to a 2-5-7. Then left hand goes to a 4-1, right hand stays on that 2-5-7. Then right hand goes to a 1-4-6. Next chord is left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 4-6-2. Left hand stays the same, right hand goes to a 4-5-1. Then left hand goes to a 5 octave, right hand goes to a 1-4-5-1. Right, then we're just dropping the ones to a 7, right? Then you're doing a 5-4, right? But you can do the chord, which is 4-5, 1-2-4, 1-2-5. Then right hand, then you're gonna go to a 6 flat 1-2-4. Right, so then left hand's doing a 3-1-3, right hand's doing a 5-1-3. Then left hand's doing a 1-7 flat, right hand's doing a 3-6-2. Then left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 4-6-1-4. Left hand's then doing a 4-1-2, right hand's doing a 4-6 flat 1. Passing chord of 6 flat 1 4. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 3-5-1-3. Left hand's doing a 2-1, right hand's doing a 5 flat 1. Then you're gonna go to a 3 afterwards. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 4-6-2. Then you're resolving into a 1-5-1 left hand, 2-3-5-1 right hand. So that's literally how the entire song goes, right? Then there's one part of the song where they kind of do like a no. Let's just look at how we can. So Right, so what am I doing there? I'm literally doing some like a walk up, because left hand needs to do a 1-7 flat, right? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try a walk up to the 7 flat from a 5-6 flat 6, then play a 7 flat. So it sounds like this. So right, so it's a bit hard to do, but technically you want to slide, or you could literally do it this way, which is where you're starting with this finger, then going here, and going here, then going there, right? Right? Because what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit that 2, then hit the 1 in the bass. When you're hitting the 7th flat, hit the 7th flat and the 1 in the bass. So when you're hitting the 7th flats in your left hand, right hand is going to be hitting that 3, 6, 2. Or you could walk it up and then hit it like that, right? Right? But the goal is you want to do that. Then the very next chord, instead of just playing the notes, you can play a passing chord again, which is a 2 flat passing chord. So left hand's going to play a 2 flat, 7 flat, 2 flat. Right hand's going to play a 3, 5, 7 flat, 2 flat, 3. Right? Our normal 2 chord which you play there, right? And then I told you that we play a. Or you can play this. What am I playing there? So left hand's playing a 2 flat, 7 flat, 2 flat. So after we play right, then we come back to this 2 flat chord again, which the 2 flat chord I showed you. Then left hand's going to be playing a 3, 5, right hand's going to be playing a 7 flat, 2, 5. Right, so left hand's now doing it, so left hand's playing a 2, 4, right hand's playing a 6 flat, 1, 4. Now left hand's playing a 2, 1, right hand's playing a 4, 6 flat, 2. Right, left hand's doing same as you've played before, right? This part over here is the part where it goes da 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 da. So then eventually you just start repeating that thing da da da. Eventually they start repeating that, right? So when they're repeating that, you get what I'm going with this, right? We starting at a 1 da 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 1, but I was doing a 1/3. But for the purposes of how I want to show you, you can also see this as a traditional 1 da 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 4. But we're doing a 1. We usually do like a 1/3 da 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 4/2, right? But we're technically going from a 1 to a 4, technically, right? So what you can do, instead of saying da 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 da, you can do this da 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 da. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? You can do that instead of doing 1/3, some diminished, some augmented chord, to a 4/2, right? So you have that option there. So, well, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1. Right hand's doing a 7, 2, 3, 5. Or you can do a, or you could do a 3, 5, 7, 3, as your 1 chord, right? You have many options. For your 2 chord, left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 4-7 flat 1-4. For your 3 chord, left hand's doing a 3-5-3, right hand 3-1-3, right hand's doing a 5-1-2-5. Left hand, now for your 4 chord, left hand's doing a 4-1-3, right hand's doing a 6-1-3-6. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial here. Until next time guys, stay blessed.